Welcome back. In this video, we're making Outback Steakhouse's Aussie cheese fries. Grab 5 large potatoes, level off one of the sides, cut lengthwise into 1/4-inch thick slices, slice into planks, and there's your French fry shape. Soak in water for 1 hour to remove excess starch. Dry off the potatoes with a paper towel. Fry at 300 degrees for 5 minutes. Let the potatoes cool for 30 minutes. Split the potatoes into 3 batches. Toss each batch with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then fry at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper while they're still hot. Place your fries into an oven-safe pan. Cover with Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese, about 2 cups each. Sprinkle 1 cup of cooked bacon over the top. Broil at 500 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes. Drizzle with the house-made ranch dressing. And there we have it, Outback Steakhouse's Aussie cheese fries. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.